Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard Van 57 in League of Legends. So let's start. Now for the first step, go to the Windows search bar, type in services. After that, select anyone and type in V in your keyboard. After that, search for VGC, double click on it, and then go to the startup tab and switch it from manual to automatic, and make sure to hit start to change the service status to running. After that, select apply and OK. Now for the next step, go to the Windows search bar again, type in system configuration. From here, go to the third tab, which is services. Select hide all Microsoft services, and then you just need to search for VGC and make sure to check the box in order to ensure that the service is running. After that, select apply and then OK. Now for the last step, go to the search bar again, type in control panel. After that, go to programs and install a program. Search for Riot Vanguard and then right click and make sure to select and install. And that's it. Now for the last step, make sure to go to the Windows icon and then restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.